This is Yolanda Styles coming to you with a tutorial on press-on nails. So some of you guys have been on the bus of struggles, such as myself, or not being able to do things that you're normally used to, such as TLC type things. So with the quarantine and with us having to practice social distancing, which we should be doing, there are certain things that we have to either adjust to, accommodate, or try to work around. So most of us may be used to having a full set of nails or being able to go into a salon and getting our nails done, but we haven't been able to do so. So I figured we need to find different ways to adjust. So today we are going to be doing a press-on tutorial on how you can press your own nails on and look just as fabulous, okay? So this first one that I have here, I actually purchased both of these from Dollar General. You can get them from Dollar General, you can get them from Walgreens, CVS. I actually just recently found a couple people on Instagram that actually do custom press-ons. So that's another route you can take. I'm gonna go with the Dollar General versions and pop these on. So I'm gonna go with these because I like the little gold nails in this one. So we'll save these for another time. I think I bought these for about no more than $5 a piece. I think this one actually might have been $3 and this one might have been $5. So imagine having a full set for less than $20, $30, $40 that you can press on yourself. So let's get started. So one perk about your press-on kit that I like is that not only does it come with a full set of 10 nails, it also comes with extra nails in the bottom. So guess what? If your nails come off, you don't have to run back to the nail salon to get them put back on. You can actually do that yourself in a matter of minutes. So that is one plus that I love about press-on nails, is that if they come off, save that bad boy and pop it back on yourself. So, like I said, it comes with the nails in there and an extra nails if you need them later on. Usually all of them come with the Nail Care nail glue. See your nail glue. They also have other nail glues that are individualized in the stores. Press-ons can last anywhere from, it just depends on how often you use your nails. So they could last anywhere from a day or two, but definitely it could last up until a week or two. Also, it just depends on how often you use your hands, how often you work with your hands, probably more than likely the length of them as well. And they have different lengths. They have short, they have long, they have medium. They also have the difference of the shapes. So these are more of like a coffin style shape, medium length. They also have well, this is more coffin to me than anything. These are the usual ones that I like, the shape of them. But for the purpose of these, like I said, I like the gold in these. So we'll go with this one for now. The last one that I had a file in it, and that I found to be very accommodating for that particular set, because I was able to file the nails down to where they were kind of more accommodating for me since I do a lot of typing. Just cut that off. And that allows it to open up. Okay. So here you go. You just put in a little dab, as much as you need. And then you kind of measure it according to that. Just make sure I got it lined up according to my nail. And that's it. Okay. So I'll go ahead and just put them all on so you guys can see. what you want to do is you can always push your cuticles. Like I said, normally they had a cuticle adjuster in the last kit that I had, but this one didn't come with one. So you can always just push your cuticles down for them to adjust. But you want to make sure that it lines up with your, you know, it's not too overbearing or like overcrowding the nail bed. So they look as realistic as possible, of course. You know. And again, it doesn't take time to do this. You can just kind of pop them on, pop them off, and kind of be gone. But I just want to let you know that part. This is just according to your nail size, your nail bed. Again, this is just a temporary fix for anybody who's interested in a temporary fix. But again, you can do it whatever way you see fit. But it's just a temporary fix. Something temporary that you can adjust. And you can adjust whatever colors, whatever style. You can adjust whatever design or way you want them to be structured, whether it's every other nail change or whatever the case may be. You can do all of that yourself. And to me, that's a perk, to be able to adjust it as I go, you know? So, just a thought. So this is hand number 1. I'll get a Q-tip and wet it or put some alcohol on it to kind of get rid of the excess glue on that particular nail. This is how they look for the most part. All right, so let's go on to hand number 2.